Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a special discount for members on your Wix website. Offering member-only discounts is a great way to reward loyal customers and encourage more signups. Now let's get started. On your Wix dashboard, we hover over to the left part of the page. Here, we see the Catalogs section. Under Catalogs, we go to Discounts, and then select Automatic Discounts. We click on this option. Once we are on the automatic discount page, we need to create a discount for our members. We do this by clicking on the Create button, either in the middle or the upper right corner. Now we choose which type of discount we want to use: Standard, Buy One, Get One, or Buy X, Get Y product. For this example, we use Standard. The configuration is similar for both options. Here, we select the product and set the discount. It could be 50% off, or a buy one, take one, or buy one, take two offer depending on what fits our website. To make this discount available only for members, we tick the corresponding box. Then we go to the eligibility section and select specific members. Since we want to give the discount only to our members, we choose this option and add their emails or contacts. We add them here and select as many members or loyal customers as we want. After selecting the members, they will now appear in our list as chosen members who will receive the discount. To add another member, simply add another specific member from your website. If we want to use a different discount type, we can change to Buy X, Get Y. Here, we select which items or specific products are included, or if the discount applies to all products, and we set the conditions as needed. We just need to configure the settings and make sure to add the specific members who should receive the discount. If we want to remove a member, we simply click the X button next to their name. It is easy to set up automatic discounts for your members. With exclusive offers in place, we can boost customer loyalty and increase repeat purchases.